I am Mrs. Visalaji, working as a teacher in Trinity Matriculation High Secondary School, Namakkal. Now we are going to see 7th Standard GK, Chapter 12, Devoted Parent. Seahorse. The male seahorse gives birth to young ones. The female deposits unfertilized eggs into the male abdomen. The male carries them in his brood pouch provided with nutrition and oxygen. Queen. A female penguin returns to the sea after laying a single egg. The male withstands keep on his feet under a feathers flap to protect the eggs for 60 days. Sea catfish. A father sea catfish keeps the eggs on his young in his mouth until they are ready to hatch. He does not eat until his young are born. A few weeks after giving birth to her young, the mouth giraffe joins a herd which acts as a crèche for young ones. The female turns to babysit all the babies in the herd. Giant water bug. The female giant water bug lays her eggs on the back of the male parent for the next 3 weeks till they hatch. The father carries them on his back and protects them from parasites. This lesson, the last devoted parent is crocodile. The mother crocodile carries her babies in her mouth to protect them for predators such as storks, monkeys, and monitor lizards. Now, see the chapter 13 potluck. Puttukadala. Puttukadala is a typical dish of Kerala. The puttu is made up of rice flour and coconut. It is eaten with kadala. Puttukadala. Puttukadala is a typical dish of Kerala. The puttu is made up of rice flour and coconut. It is eaten with kadala. Bamboo shoot fry. Bamboo shoot fry is a traditional food of many states. It is made from bamboo shoots. Tender portions of bamboo shoots is cooked with fenugreek seeds and red chili. Dal bati churma. Dal bati churma is a Rajasthan dish comprising lentils, pati and churma, which is crushed wheat cooked with ghee and sugar. Danshak. Danshak is a popular Persian dish consists of meat, vegetables, lentils, and spice. It usually forms a part of Sunday meals owing to its elaborate preparation. Regional dishes of India. Dalma is popular dish in Odisha. It is combination of harata, dal and vegetables. It goes well with hot rice and roti. Katkata is a popular dish in Goa. Katkata is an exotic mixed vegetables chew. This dish is usually prepared for weddings and pujas. Sukto is a popular vegetable dish in Bengali, usually served with a rice in the West Bengal. It has a slightly bitter taste, especially served in Bengali social ceremonies. Litti. Litti along with chokha is a complete meal originate from Bihar. It also popular in Jagarkhand and part of eastern Uttar Pradesh. Mishalba is a popular dish in Maharashtra. It is usually served with bread or rolls toasted with butter. It is served as a breakfast dish, as a snack, and also a full meal. Undiu is a Gujarat mixed vegetable dish that is regional special of Surat, India. Undiu with puri, and Sikandar is often eaten in Gujarat houses during the winter. Ishtapa is a popular dish in Jammu and Kashmir. It is non-vegetarian dish. It is served as a last meal dish in a Wangsang festival. Bisabella bath is a spicy rice-based dish with origin in the state of Karnataka. It is popular dish made with rice, lentil, mixed veggies and spice powder known as a Bisabella bath powder. In this session, we saw devoted parent and potluck. Thank you.